Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered about the role of the World Bank in today's crumbling global geopolitics? With so many countries in debt, struggling economies, and geopolitical tensions rising, the role of international organizations like the World Bank has never been more important. Today, we'll be discussing the World Bank's role in today's world and how it impacts global geopolitics. Welcome to Primetime TV, where we bring you the latest and most interesting topics from around the world. The role of the World Bank. The World Bank is a global financial institution that provides loans and technical assistance to developing countries for development projects. The primary goal of the World Bank is to reduce poverty by promoting economic growth and sustainable development. The World Bank has a membership of 189 countries and is headquartered in Washington, D.C. One of the key functions of the World Bank is to provide financial assistance to countries that need it. Developing countries often face a shortage of funds for development projects, and the World Bank helps bridge that gap by providing loans and grants. These funds can be used for a variety of purposes, such as building infrastructure, improving healthcare, and supporting education initiatives. The World Bank also provides technical assistance to countries, helping them develop policies and strategies that promote economic growth and sustainable development. This can include things like advice on macroeconomic policies, support for institutional reforms, and assistance with implementing social safety nets. The World Bank's impact on global geopolitics. The World Bank's impact on global geopolitics cannot be overstated. By providing financial assistance to developing countries, the World Bank helps promote economic growth and stability, which can have positive effects on regional and global stability. When countries have stable economies, they are less likely to engage in conflict or become a source of instability in their region. Furthermore, the World Bank is often seen as a neutral and objective player in international affairs. Because it is not affiliated with any particular country or ideology, the World Bank is often able to work with a wide range of governments and stakeholders to promote development and stability. However, the World Bank's role in global geopolitics is not without controversy. Some critics argue that the World Bank's policies and programs are too focused on promoting neoliberal economic policies, such as privatization and deregulation, which can have negative effects on social welfare and environmental protection. Others argue that the World Bank is too focused on promoting economic growth at the expense of other important goals, such as reducing inequality and promoting sustainable development. Criticisms of the World Bank. As mentioned earlier, the World Bank is not without controversy. Some critics argue that the organization's policies and programs are too focused on promoting neoliberal economic policies, which prioritize economic growth and free markets over social welfare and environmental protection. These critics argue that the World Bank's focus on neoliberalism can exacerbate inequalities and lead to unsustainable development, especially in developing countries where social safety nets and environmental regulations may be weaker. Other critics argue that the World Bank's lending practices can create a cycle of debt for developing countries, as loans are often tied to specific conditions that may prioritize the interests of developed countries over the needs of the borrowing country. For example, the World Bank may require a country to privatize state-owned assets or reduce public spending in order to qualify for a loan, which can have negative impacts on social welfare and the environment. Despite these criticisms, the World Bank remains an important player in global geopolitics, and the organization has taken steps to address some of these concerns. For example, the World Bank has introduced policies to increase transparency and accountability in its lending practices, and has also increased its focus on sustainable development and social inclusion. The World Bank plays a crucial role in today's crumbling global geopolitics. By providing financial assistance and technical support to developing countries, the World Bank helps promote economic growth and stability, which can have positive effects on regional and global stability. As citizens of the world, it is important for us to stay informed about the role of organizations like the World Bank in shaping global geopolitics. By understanding the impact of these organizations, we can better advocate for policies and programs that promote sustainable development, reduce poverty, and create a more just and equitable world. Thank you for watching Primetime TV, where we bring you the latest and most interesting topics from around the world. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. And as always, please leave your comments and feedback below. We'd love to hear from you.